In this video, I am going to show you an advanced data entry program you can create in Excel. So this program has three different parts: login section, data entry part, and the report generating section. This is a application I created within Excel for one of my clients. So I will show you how this is working. Let's log into the system by clicking this button. So I created this system according to the requirements of my client. So he needed various buttons like this to delete users, create users, change admin passwords, and change user passwords like that. So let's log into the system by entering the username and password. So actually this application was created to enter the information for several companies. So he wanted to enter data for several companies. I have already entered some fake data like this, so I have entered one company information for one company. So let's select this company name and click open. So now it shows some buttons like this: company profile, employee data, and company report. So now let's go to this company profile. So here it shows all the data about this company, and these are the buttons we can use to save the data and delete the profile. So if we go back to the this home page, and if we click this employee data, it shows all the information about the employees in that company. So here we can select, I have entered three data for three employees, so let's select one of them. So it will auto populate the data of that employee. So if we select another one, it shows the data like this, and for this Jacob shows the data like this. And if we go to this wages, and it shows the monthly wages for that employee. So the taxable wages are 0 for this from this second quarter, because there's a limit for the taxable wages like 7,000. So if there are more wage like more than 7,000, there will be no taxable wages. So I did these things according to its requirements. So and if we go to this timesheet, it has the we can enter the absent and all the other information here. So if I select this person and 2018, I have entered some data for January. So the absent dates are calculated from these ticks, and at the end total absenteeism is calculated here. So in the end of this video, I will show you how we can enter this data. So I am showing this already entered data, and also we have section for the performance evaluation like this. So here we can enter all the information like this, and warning notice. So we can enter all the information and save it in the database, and then we can get that information by selecting the values from these drop downs. And there's an option to export it as a PDF, and also there's an employee separation section like this. So now let's go back to the home and see this company report section. So if we go to this content report section, it shows all the information for that company. So if I select this first quarter, it shows the wages for all the employees like this, and if we enter tax rate here, it will calculate the tax amount as well. Now I will show you how we can enter the data to this system. So let's first go to this employee data. So we have the already entered data like this, and if we want to add a new employee, we can just click this add new employee. So here we can enter all the information. So I will enter some fake data. So let's enter some fake data here as well. So here I will enter the email. So now we can go bottom of this page and click save. So it will give us message data saved successfully. So now let's go to this wages. Now I will select the newly entered name from this list and select the year 2018. So here I will enter less values. So I will show you how it calculate the taxable wages when it's go upper than 7,000. Sorry, it doesn't calculate the wages when the total is more than 7,000. So here it will not calculate the taxable wages. So as you can see, it doesn't calculate here. So now we can save this information and we get the message. So let's go to this general tab again, and we can go to this timesheet. Now we can select the newly entered name from here, and I will enter the absenteeism for this January. So I can go to here and click the ticks where I need. so it automatically calculates the absenteeism here. So now I will save this information. Before that I will enter the standard hour rate and OT rate like this, and now we can click save. So now let's go back to this general tab, and here also performance evaluation warning notice. These tabs also can be filled like we did in that absenteeism timesheet. So now let's go back to the home, and I will show you how we can create a new company. So if we log in here, we have option to create a new company. So we can enter, I will enter some fake name like this and create new. So new company profile created. So here we can also we can enter all the information for this company, and also we can enter the individual employee data like we did earlier. If you want to create this kind of custom Excel application, you can learn it from our free blog www.xcelvbasolutions.com, and if you want, you can hire us for your projects. We develop data entry software in Excel dashboards, and any kind of Excel automation or data manipulations using macros. In addition to Excel related work, we undertake web development projects. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.